An oil change in a 2019 Genesis G70 with the 2.0 liter turbo. Haven't really seen any videos online, but you're gonna learn with me though. Basically, these two panels are held on by a bunch of these 10mm nuts, and then up front there's gonna be those plastic clips. And then that's basically just gonna be covering on the bottom part. And there will be your filter and your drain plug. Takes 6 liters of 0W30 Quaker State, but I've always been a Valvoline Mobile 1 guy, so we're going with Mobile 1 today. But yeah, bunch of 10mm, a couple plastic rivets, and